Hello, this is Dewey with EBS. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do gift cards. First, log in with an employee eligible to make gift cards. On the top right, hit gift card. Go ahead and swipe the gift card. Next, give it a value. We'll do $20 for this one. And then issue. Right here on the receipt you can see that the gift card is awaiting to be purchased. Go ahead and hit the pay button and then select your payment method from here. We're going to do cash for this one. And then you hit done. Alright, now if you want to check the value of the gift card, hit the same button up here. And then you go over to check balance, scan the gift card. And it'll tell you how much was available, how much is remaining. And then to use a gift card, first select the service. Go ahead and hit the pay button. And then you're going to want to hit gift card this time. Swipe the gift card. And then hit done. And that is how you use a gift card.